I'm with Siemens digital manufacturing team. We're here with Erdem from Productive Machines, telling a end-to-end digitalization story about a part here displayed at our booth. Erdem, can you introduce yourself, tell us about your role, and a little bit about Productive Machines?
I am the founder and CEO of Productive Machines. Productive Machines is a spin-out company from AMRC. It stands for Advanced Manufacturing Research Center. What we are doing is we are helping the machining companies reach the best part faster and first time using our advanced technology.
And tell us a little bit more about the integration with NXCAM and how did this technology partnership start?
Yeah, when we were developing this technology, it needs to work with the current workflow of the manufacturing companies, and also it has to be very easy to use. So what we have done in the past 4 years, we have fine-tuned the integration into NXCAM, and we made it very easy to use for the CAM programmers.
And talk to me more about the AI technologies that's in it, and how is it helping to accelerate CNC programming? It's very exciting and really, the future of, I would say, CNC machining too.
The machines are like complex robots, and they need to be guided by the experienced operators. So the experienced operators have to select parameters like depth of cuts, feeds, speeds, and this experience that they have generated in their career helps them to make decisions. But even if I have 20 years of experience, if I go to a new machine, if I go to a new material, I cannot say this depth of cut, this spindle speed, this feed rate will work on these machines. And then also there's a skills gap in the industry, so these experienced people are getting rare. For that reason, we believe that technology like ours will fill the skills gap in the industry, will minimize the waste that's happening in the machine tools when the customers or the engineers are trying different processes in their operations. I think this is the future of machining in the next few years. Yeah.
And what's on the horizon? What excites you the most about your partnership with Siemens and being such an integral technology partner with us?
Manufacturing sector likes variations, and we are continuously adapting the technology. With respect to this adaptation, we are very happy to be featuring in the new Siemens marketplace.
Well, thank you everyone for tuning in, and stay tuned for more updates from Realize Live and the exciting future in digital manufacturing.